Hello guys, how are you doing? In this video I'm gonna show you how to list multiple items on eBay with multi-quantity and variations. Let's get started. First thing, go to sell right here. Then click on create listing. Here you can just name your product. For example, I have picked phone cases, so I'm just gonna type phone case, then search. I'm just gonna click on this one. You can actually find a match if you want to, because it's gonna help you a lot. This depends on if the product that you are selling, if it's new or used, or what's its case. Here you have to upload a picture, and this exact one is gonna be the main picture, and it's better to choose a picture that show different variations of the product that you're selling, so the customers can easily see what you have. It's not the same as showing one color or one pattern. For example, let me show you. So for example, in here, instead of uploading one like this or this, it's better to upload this one where we can see all the variations. Then the ones that you're gonna add in here are not going to be the main ones. To add variations, just scroll down. You're gonna find here variations. Click on edit. You can remove these ones. Here, for example, if you have color variations, or for example something that is not here, for example a pattern or material or fabric, you can add your own right here. You can add your own and then click on save. But now I'm just gonna do color, so I'm gonna click on color, then save. Here we can pick the colors that we have. So as you saw in the picture, there is red, blue, white. If there are, for example, some other colors, some specific, for example, tones or shades, you can add your own right here, or anything, maybe for example fabric, something like that. Just here I'm gonna do continue. To add pictures for each variation, click on this one. For example, color that we have done, click on upload, then pick, for example here, this one is red, we're gonna do red, then add. You can add many pictures, red again. And to add pictures for other variations, you can click on them. For example, okay, this one is blue, we're gonna do blue. To add more pictures, just keep clicking on add. We're gonna do the same thing with white. White pen. Here, there's something really important, which is the quantity of each single variation. Let's say, for example, you have in the red phone case, you have, for example, 15. Go here and type 15. Depends on the units that you have. Or let's say here you have 20, or here you have 25, for example. And do not forget to fill in these bars also, they are important. Also the price, because they might have different prices, different variations, different prices. Even if they have the same price, make sure you type the price of each single one. And that's it. Once you finish, click on save and close. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in the comments. I will answer all of your comments. And thank you for watching. See you next video.